Why so serious? What's going on, guys and girls and gals, guys and gals, gals and guys? Anyway, why so serious? It's your guy, Serious Mindset, back with another video. And as I stated in the last previous video, this is the review. Now, I wanted to do this review in a nice setting, needless to say, because, you know, I'm in a nice state, right? So I just didn't want to just do it in my garage or, you know, some little rinky-dink area or whatnot. So I'm out in a spot. You can see the mountain. Can you guys see the mountains? Can you guys see the mountains in the background? Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful that is. So the camera doesn't do justice as far as the scenery. Like in person, this thing is beautiful. But needless to say, you guys came here for the review of my 2020 Widebody ScatPack Challenger. That's in the back. So as you see, this is the thing right here. So needless to say, the features of this bad boy, of course, is being able to put your arm in here, right? When you see it coming down the street, it's a real big eye catcher. It's an eye catcher because people want to look. They see these flares come out. So it's an attention grabber first and foremost. Not only that, but when you look at it, you know, you see the stance and everything. The stance is beautiful. You got, you know, if at that, the tires, like everything is an attention grabber. And you see I had to put Texas made since I'm in the state of Washington, just to let them know that everything in Texas is big. You know, you see the tires, you see the hips, you know, needless to say. So, you know, of course you have the wing, you have the Hellcat wing on there, and then the badging, of course, ScatPack. So this is new for the 2020s. And then you have the two dual exhausts. So you got the dual exhaust on there. So not only that, I don't know if I went over this, close this door, but you also have those big baby Brembos. So my Brembos are black. So do I like them being black? You know I don't. Because it's like if you got Brembos, they need to be seen, they need to pop out a little bit more. So that's another video, that's another conversation. But at the end of the day, those big 6-piston Brembos, they do their thing or whatnot. When I tell you it's crazy, it's literally crazy. So I don't know if you guys can tell, it is a little bit dirty because I've been riding around. But nevertheless, I mean, everything speaks for itself. Like, this is a beautiful, so beautiful, beautiful Challenger, and it speaks for itself. And having a tent, oh my God, totally changed the whole dynamic of the vehicle. Because when I first got it, it was fishbowl all the way around. So the whole dynamic just changed in the vehicle. So again, 305s in the back, and then you have your standard 305s in the front as well. You can see them, they are P0 tires. So we're gonna find something else that we can play with, because needless to say, we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna have a lot of fun or whatnot. So everybody keep stopping by when they rolling through, looking or whatnot, trying to see what's going on. So you can see the dust or whatnot on here, so don't mind that. But in this area, so we're gonna do a exhaust startup. See that thing? Whew. Hear that growl? Alright, so that's the growl. See, I'm moving and grooving right now because I got so many moves. Make sure, hey, oh, first and foremost, I forgot to say this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit all of those things so you can be notified when I drop a video. I greatly appreciate it. We're trying to get to 1,000. I don't know why every time I say but we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna do a giveaway of my apparel brand, which you see here. You see in every video that I had on I mean, in every video that I had made thus far, I had either my Serious red line hat, or either I have this patch hat, or either I have, you know, the tanks. I have, oh man, when I say quality, we're gonna do quality stuff. So at the end of the day, just make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then we're gonna do that giveaway. And you also gotta follow the Instagram as well, Serious_Lane. So let's continue. With my interior, I didn't get too much done to it because this was already a pre-packaged vehicle when I picked it up. So most of the features were already picked up. So I have the cloth seats. So these are cloth seats. I have a leather wrap steering wheel, and you see the armrest is leather as well. I need to wipe that. Armrest is leather as well. And these are the features that everything I got on my vehicle. So nevertheless, I still have the sticker, but the cloth seats, they okay. I don't really too much care if they're cloth or they're Alcantara. I don't really too much care. What I do know is I had a lot of vehicles with leather, and what I noticed about leather is over time, when you sit and you move, this is your wear and tear area in leather. So I don't care too much about that. With cloth, I do know you have to clean it to make sure that you know what I mean, the fibers stay up or whatnot. And this is black as well, so you really too much can't tell for dirt. Like I said, so I mean, it's cool to me. I don't really care. More so, the leather is wrapped, so this thing is tight. So everything is black on black, as you see. Got that ScatPack Bumblebee on wheels. Now I was waiting to do this, so I figured we'd do this now. So I'm gonna start it up, right? Okay, so we at 485. I'm at 485 doing this video, this review video. Views, by the way, views. So you see the mountains. But so now it's properly time to take that off. So I literally just took this off just for this video, so you guys will see that firsthand. But you can see this vehicle has so many features. There's so many features, like, hold on, let's get the good light. I haven't even sat in the garage to truly play with the features like I should, and like it's crazy. So I did get a chance to experiment with the street mode, the sport mode, the track mode. So within those modes, oh my god. So track is the highest level. Once you put in track mode, everything just open up, from exhaust to all different things. Of course, the traction control goes off. Now traction control in this bad boy is like ill to will. Like if you push down, now mind you, I'm not supposed to push it because I'm not at my 500, you know, I'm not supposed to play too much, but just that little bitty push, you feel that thing just want to just go out of control or whatnot. So nevertheless, you have your performance pages. So within performance pages, you have everything as far as your 60 foot from ground. See, I don't know too much about this, so I'm not a true like car junkie like some guys that's probably watching this or whatnot. So I'm not gonna even claim that. But you know, just for, you know, common people that's interested in seeing, you know, what's your quarter speed from 0 to 60 or, you know, whatnot. It lets you know certain little things, and then you have your gauges, and then you can switch out these little widgets or whatnot. So I can move this widget if need be. I don't even know how to do that. So like I said, I haven't even played with the vehicle. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys. So the only thing that I touch is Sirius XM. Oh, Marilyn Manson. But yeah, so I mean, the thing is so many features, and then you have apps, you have Wi-Fi hotspot, you have your market, so you can put more apps. The vehicle, the seats do come heated, so I do have heated seats in here. Of course, I got that backup camera, so we got the backup camera, so you can see you see the backup camera, so we got the backup camera right there. So not only that, but I have, this is what I like. So if you haven't driven, so this is my first time literally driving out of the whole time these Challengers came back for years or whatnot. This is my first time being in one and driving in one. And this thing is big inside. Like, it's so big inside that you do need to have those, you do need to have the lane assist. So, not lane assist, but lane, I think they call it like lane modifier, lane, what the heck is this thing called? I don't even know. I need to give you guys the right term. I don't even know. But anyway, it helps you know, it helps you know if somebody's on the side of you. So I do have that feature. That feature it's a must need because this thing is big. Like, sitting inside this cabin, the seats are comfortable. So I'm 5'11", 210, you know, muscle made. You see that thing, muscle made. Like it cuffs. Like, oh my God, it cuffs. So I have all this room. I mean, I'm not 6 foot, but I'm there. You know what I'm saying? I'm there. But don't get it twisted now. Don't get it twisted. But anyway, everything is in here is sleek. The only thing, well, that's another video. But everything is sleek. I don't have a sunroof, so I don't have a sunroof. So no sunroof, which I don't really care for, you know what I mean? I have vehicles with sunroof. I mean, to me, it makes the vehicle look darker. So, you know, it's a good feature to have here and there, but at the end of the day, you know, it really doesn't matter. You see people in the background, they see these kids in the background, they watching, they like, man, that thing look clean. But anyway, I don't have the premium sound package. My package is the Alpine, so I have the regular Alpine. I know some people have the premium sound system, which, you know, like I said, it's literally a boat on wheels. This thing is a boat on wheels, and with it being a boat on wheels, the sound it bass good. You can actually tune the sound, whether it's from the front, and I know they have I think this is sound as well. I don't know. Don't get me going. But I know you can move the sound between different areas in the cabin. So most of the areas in the cabin is fluctuates throughout. Slowly move that to push it a little bit more. But, you know, not too much on the back seat area, but it do have a back seat. Compared to my truck, I don't have a back seat. So that's cool or whatnot. The trunk. So the trunk space is big as well. You see that check out the mid muffler delete video when I done that. So this is the trunk space, real big, real big. And then you have that hidden compartment. You know, I have my wheel stuff. You know, I got my, you know, stuff to make sure that everything is nice and clean and pretty. But I guess these come standard, the pedals, but this is dope though. This is dope. So this is like a little grip. So I'm like I said, I'm like a little kid right now. So these are like little grips. So if your foot is wet or whatnot, you know, these are like your standard like grips. So they got a Camry. They got a Camry with an exhaust. But look at that thing. That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. All right, so that concludes the video. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit give that thumbs up button. So the sun is beaming in my eyes. I don't have my sunglasses, but nevertheless, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you put a comment in there. Let me know what you think about the vehicle. If at that, stay serious. Make sure you follow the Instagram, serious_lanes. Stay serious. What's so serious? What's so serious?